Greetings, dear friends. In our first 5 sessions, we explored the cosmic philosophy, historical roots, and foundational concepts of Jyotish. Today, we arrive at a crucial practical milestone, the birth chart, your personal map of destiny. But before we interpret it, we must understand how it is drawn. Unlike Western astrology, which uses a single circular format, Jyotish employs 4 distinct chart formats, each with its own logic, history, and purpose. In this session, we will explore what a birth chart truly is, a cosmic fingerprint, not a fortune-telling tool. The 4 main Indian chart formats, South Indian, North Indian, Eastern, Mithilā, and circular, the advantages and logic behind each, and why no single format is best, only most suitable for your purpose and tradition. Most importantly, we will understand that the chart is not the truth, it is a mirror. And like any mirror, its clarity depends on how you hold it. Let us begin. As you see on the screen, today's session is titled The Birth Chart and Indian Chart Formats. The birth chart, called Kundali or Rishi Chakra in Sanskrit, is a snapshot of the sky at your exact moment of birth. It records the precise positions of the 12 Rashis signs, 9 grahas, planets, and 12 bhavas as houses. But here is the key: the data is the same, but the presentation differs. Just as a musical score can be written in staff notation or tablature, the same cosmic truth can be drawn in multiple ways. As I wrote in my book, this chart is your key to understanding destiny, karma, and inner potential. What is a birth chart? A birth chart is not a prediction. It is a diagnosis. It captures 3 essential elements. 1. Lagnas, ascendant, the Rishi rising in the east at birth. This is your outer personality, your vehicle in this life. 2. Moon reveals your mind, emotions, and Jama Nakshatra, birth lunar mansion. 3. Sun reveals your soul, father, and karmic purpose. The chart is divided into 12 bhavas, houses, domains of life like wealth, health, marriage, and spirituality. The 9 grahas move through these houses, activating their energies. Crucially, no 2 charts are identical, not even for twins born minutes apart. It is, as I said, your cosmic fingerprint. 4 main Indian chart formats. Jyotish uses 4 primary chart formats, each with its own geographic and philosophical roots. 1. South Indian format. Fixed signs, planets move clockwise. 2. North Indian format. Ascendant always at top, houses fixed, signs move counter, clockwise. 3. Eastern Mithilā format. Fixed signs like South Indian, but numbered counter clockwise like North Indian. 4. Circular format. Resembles Western charts, used for international communication. These are not arbitrary. They reflect different ways of seeing the cosmos. Is the focus on signs southeastern, or on houses in north, or on global accessibility, circular? Understanding these differences is essential for accurate interpretation. South Indian format. The South Indian format is the most traditional and widely taught in classical Jyotish schools. Structure: a square divided into 12 boxes. Rashis are fixed at Aries. Meshap is always top left. Taurus, Virushabha next, and so on clockwise. Planets are placed in the box corresponding to their sign. Advantages: mirrors the actual sky. The fixed signs reflect the real zodiac belt. Easy comparison. For marriage compatibility or family analysis, you can place two charts side by side and instantly see planetary relationships. No redrawing needed. To view the moon chart, Chandra Lagna, or any other Lagna, you simply recount the houses from the new ascendant. No new chart required. As my book states, this format is closest to the actual astronomy of the sky. North Indian format. The North Indian format prioritizes house-based analysis. Structure: the ascendant's Lagnat is always at the top center. Houses are fixed in a diamond shape. Rashis move. The sign in the first house is labeled 1, the next 2, and so on counterclockwise. Advantages: house positions are instantly visible, ideal for analyzing career, 10th house, marriage, 7th, or health, 6th. Disadvantages: harder to compare charts. Each chart must be mentally rotated. Requires redrawing for moon or other Lagna charts. Numbers indicate signs, not houses. A common source of confusion for beginners. This format is popular in North India and emphasizes life domains over cosmic signs. Eastern Mithilā format. The Eastern or Mithilā format is a fascinating hybrid and deeply significant for us Iranians. Structure: Rashis are fixed, like South Indian, Aries always at top center. But numbering is counter-clockwise like North Indian. Historical link. This format has a strong historical connection to Iranian astrology. Likely transmitted via Iranian traders through Bengal and Nepal during the medieval era. As I wrote in my book, this format is a bridge between Iranian and Vedic star wisdom. Advantages: combines the sky, aligned logic of South Indian with the house, counting ease of North Indian. Ideal for those seeking to recover the lost stellar wisdom of ancient Persia. Noti: in this format, Scorpio of Vereshchika appears in the bottom right, not top left, reflecting its Persian roots. Circular format. The circular format is a modern adaptation. Structure: resembles Western birth charts, a circle with signs and planets placed around it, but uses Vedic content, sidereal zodiac, nakshatras, and graphs. Advantages: familiar to Western audiences, useful for teaching internationally, compatible with modern software like Jagannatha Hora or AstroSage. Disadvantages: rarely used in classical Indian teaching. Less intuitive for traditional analysis like Ashtaka Varga or Dasha timing. As my book notes, it prioritizes accessibility over authenticity. Use it for communication, but not for deep study. Which format is best? So, which format is best? The answer is none and all. As I wrote, Once you understand the logic behind each, you can read any chart, even if you've never seen that format before. Your choice should depend on 1. Geographic traditions: South Indian in Tamil Nadu, North Indian in Delhi, Mithilā in Bengal. 2. Purpose of analysis: use Southeastern for sign-based analysis, nakshatras, planetary dignity. Use North for house-based analysis at career, marriage, health. 3. Personal preference: some find fixed signs easier, others prefer fixed houses. Remember, the goal is not to prefer one, but to master all. Because Jyotish is an art that expresses the same truth in many forms. Conclusion. In closing, let us remember: 1. The birth chart is a map of cosmic destiny, not fate, but potential. 2. The 4 formats are not competitors, they are complementary lenses. South Indian: sky, aligned, sign, focused. North Indian: house, focused, ascendant, centered. Eastern: Mithilā, hybrid, Iranian, rooted. Circular, modern, global. 3. For Iranians like us, the Mithilā format is especially precious. It is a living link to our shared Indo-Iranian heritage. And finally, as I wrote in my book, Jyotish is an art that expresses the same truth in many forms. May you learn to see that truth, no matter the format. Thank you.